because I've never driven to like that side of Melbourne. I hate driving in like city ways, and also I'm scared that the parking is gonna be wrong or whatever. So, but we're chilling. Wait, why isn't the music playing? To win tonight. Bye.
So we drove to the airport, we parked at the airport, and then we ended up in the airport. So the airport was pretty chill because it was really early in the morning. I grabbed a little snack from Daniel's Donut just to get myself rolling, and then on the plane I just read my book the entire time. I also felt like so sleepy as well, but it was a pretty short flight. We ended up in Sydney, and then we took the shuttle to our hotel, and because check-in isn't until a couple of hours, we dropped our bags off, and then we just killed time before check-in. So we went to the ground, but then we got hungry and ended up finding this place where they had really good sausage sizzles. So good. Okay, we're at the hotel. We're finally checking in. We got early check-in, which is good because now we have extra time to like relax. The hotel was pretty cute, and it had a pretty nice view too of the airport, but you know, I like the airport anyway. And we just took the time to relax at the hotel because we were just so tired from an early morning flight, and we still had to rest before the awards ceremony. And then when I felt like I had a bit of energy, I decided to walk to Woolworths. I didn't film any of that, but I did film myself going to a cafe and trying a mango matcha because why not? Okay. It was then award ceremony time. This was my fit. This was our outfits. We look super pretty, and yeah, I decided to go for all red. This was like a dress I hardly ever wear unless it's special occasions, but today is a special occasion. Now we're on the way to the movie premiere / awards ceremony, but first we have to eat because we don't want to be hungry. And today was basically watching all of the mini films, and then it's the awards ceremony. So this was all the snippets that I got. This is my sister at the interview. Of course, took some more pictures as well because I was just really feeling the dress. But yeah, like I just totally forgot to film a lot of this night. So these are all the clips that we have. Me and my sister here, me and my sister there, some videos of some random things. But this was the cinema that we watched all of the films, and this was where the award ceremony was, and then they got announced the best feature film.
Yeah, fantastic range of films tonight. Feature films, joint winners, Liar by Hey David, if you're in it's tomorrow. Well,
Okay, let's do that. Ready? So to stay square. It's the morning after she won Best Feature Film. You saw the footage there of me screaming. We're gonna chill out for a bit. I love liars! We're gonna chill out for a bit. We're gonna go to the pool. But let's take a second to appreciate the view. And yeah, that's the view again. And my goodness, like the pool wasn't open, but we ended up walking to Bursted and just ate it in the hotel. And then it was time to get dressed again. It was time to go to the movie premiere for Taylor, which is Liar. And yeah, this is pretty much all I filmed. So yeah. I'm terrified. What is that?